This fork punishes you for eating too fast. What if your dinnerware judged your behavior? What if every bite triggered consequences? By the end of this video, you will not believe this was real. Meet patent US 9,173,483, filed in 2013, granted in 2015. The inventor was Jacques Lopin. He believed people were eating too quickly. Fast eating was linked to weight gain. Health gadgets were exploding in popularity. Everyone wanted technology to improve habits. Can you guess what happened next? The invention sounds simple. Step 1. Pick up food. The fork detects each mouthful. Step 2. It measures timing. Too little time means trouble. Step 3. The punishment begins. The fork starts vibrating. Like a tiny metal life coach. The app tracked every mistake. Imagine using it completely wrong. The fork becomes your enemy. Can you imagine arguing with cutlery? Just one more bite, or so they thought.
On the salad. Just let me pick you up, please. We can't keep doing this every night.
And that's where things became strange. Unlike many patents, this one became real. It launched as the HAPIfork. Media loved the idea. Actual customers had opinions. One reviewer called it annoying. That's not exactly glowing praise. The patent discussed monitoring eating behavior. A predetermined eating rhythm. Because apparently forks needed authority. Romantic evening? Not anymore.
No way, that's hilarious. You're kidding me.
People found workarounds immediately. The greatest weakness was obvious. You could simply use another fork. Technology met common sense. And common sense won. Now let's visualize this masterpiece. Human versus utensil. The fork always finds you. Can you imagine living like this? A future nobody requested. The rebellion begins. Productivity collapses instantly.
This quarter are finalized, assuming market stability remains constant through.
And somehow, every image feels believable. Final verdict. Absurdity, 9 out of 10. Danger, 4 out of 10. Why did this exist? Ten out of 10. A gadget solving a problem. A problem solved by patience. What would you patent? And would anyone need it? Next time, we're opening another rabbit hole. A motorized ice cream cone. That patent is somehow even weirder. Click the video on screen.